This meeting is being recorded.
For problem 28 from chapter 20, we are asked to identify reagents that can be used to achieve these transformations. So you'll see that we have part A shown here, and then I have part B twice. So for part A, we're going to just see one set of reagents, one mechanism, and then part B will see two different mechanisms that could be possible. So in part A here, we can react an acid chloride. First, we can go up here with excess ammonia, and that would produce this amide intermediate here. And then after a reaction with thionyl so SOCl2, we can effectively dehydrate, remove the hydrogens from this amide intermediate and produce our nitrile product here. So again, we go from an acid chloride, treat with excess ammonia, we get this intermediate amide, and then using thionyl chloride, SOCl2, we can create this nitrile. All right, then in part B, we'll look at two different approaches for this transformation. So first we need to convert our starting material, which has 7 carbon atoms, if you count this one here, at the point with the bromine. So again, this is a mechanism for part B. So we have to add an additional carbon atom because we see 7, 8 carbon atoms, if you count these two, in our product. So in the first approach, we can use, here, let's go up here, we can use sodium cyanide in step 1 to serve as a nucleophile in an SN2 reaction that will displace this bromine. So then we would have an intermediate that looks something like this. Then at that point, the nitrile can be hydrolyzed by heating it with aqueous acid. So we would see heat and H3O plus. And through that set of reagents, we could produce this desired carboxylic acid from that nitrile intermediate. All right, so again, our first set of reagents, NaCN, sodium cyanide. Second set of reagents, hydrolyzed conditions with aqueous acid and heat. Then if we were to look below here with our same starting material, we could create a Grignard reagent, right, by inserting magnesium here between the carbon and the bromine in step 1, and then upon treatment with CO2 and acid, aqueous acid workup in our last step here, we can produce this same product, this carboxylic acid, after we install that additional carbon using the CO2 here.